Ever wished you could manage your traditional bank account and your crypto holdings all in one place? Imagine a world where your everyday finances and your digital assets weren't siloed, where you could seamlessly move money between them without a dozen different apps or convoluted transfers. What if I told you that a solution like that already exists? You've probably heard of crypto wallets, and you've definitely heard of bank accounts. But what if they had a baby? Not a weird, Frankenstein's monster kind of baby, but a smart, streamlined, all-in-one financial hub. That's the essence of the Bitwala multi-wallet. Think of it less as a crypto wallet with some banking features, and more as a full-fledged German bank account that's been purpose-built for the digital age, with a powerful crypto wallet baked right in. It's a unified financial ecosystem that bridges the gap between the old world of fiat money and the new world of digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, how does it work? At its core, Bitwala is a regulated German bank account. You get an IBAN, a physical debit card, and all the usual features you'd expect from a traditional bank, like SEPA transfers and direct debits. But here's the game-changing part. Directly within this same account, you have a non-custodial Bitcoin and Ethereum wallet. The non-custodial part is crucial. It means you, and only you, have control over your private keys. Unlike centralized exchanges where you don't truly own your crypto, with Bitwala, you are the sole owner of your digital assets. This gives you the best of both worlds, the security and regulation of a traditional bank for your fiat, and the true ownership and autonomy of a self-custody wallet for your crypto. This integrated approach unlocks some incredible possibilities. For instance, you could receive a SEPA transfer from a friend into your Bitwala account and instantly use those euros to buy Bitcoin, all within the same app. Or, if the price of Ethereum is looking good, you could sell a portion of your holdings and have the euros land directly in your bank account, ready to be spent with your debit card or transferred out. The alternative is a lot more complicated. You'd have your bank app, then a separate crypto wallet app, and a centralized exchange in between. A typical transaction might look like this: transfer money from your bank to the exchange, wait for it to arrive, buy your crypto, then transfer that crypto to your separate wallet for security. That's a lot of friction, and a lot of potential for fees and delays. The Bitwala multi-wallet eliminates this. It's designed for efficiency, security, and simplicity. It's for the person who wants to dip their toes into the world of crypto without leaving the security of their traditional banking behind. It's a tool that empowers you to manage all aspects of your financial life in one place, from paying your bills to hodling your digital assets. It's a bold vision for the future of finance, where borders between traditional and digital money dissolve, and the user experience becomes the central focus. It's a testament to the idea that financial technology should simplify, not complicate, our lives. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.